Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily change the bullet size in Microsoft Word. Whether you want them larger to stand out or smaller for a subtle look, the process is incredibly straightforward. Begin by opening your Word document and highlighting the text you want to turn into a bulleted list. Head over to the Home tab and click on the bullet icon to apply your standard bullets. Now, to change their size independently of the text, simply click directly on one of the bullet points. You will notice that all the bullets in that specific list become highlighted while the actual text remains unselected. With the bullets highlighted, move up to the font section in the Home tab. Locate the font size drop-down menu. As you select a larger or smaller number from this menu, the size of your bullets will instantly adjust to match your selection. You can repeat this exact process for any other bulleted lists or custom bullet icons in your document. Just select the bullet itself, adjust the font size, and you are done. That is all it takes to perfectly customize your bullet points in Microsoft Word. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, practical software tutorials. See you in the next one.